We're on the other side of the wall.
Electro fell down
What was
the
that?
hole. She had
What is that?
Oh no! There's a fucking dude. It's the presser crusher thingy.
Oh.
I was
so we
like, the
shouldn't
only
go
time I've
there?
ever heard that was from that. Oh,
That was weird.
that's scary.
Wait,
I don't
is
know.
Electro dead?
Yeah.
What got her?
She fell down the hole.
Oh.
Oh.
Literally after saying watch out for the hole, she was like, there's a hole around here somewhere, be careful. I was like, where? And then she jumped in it.
Hmm.
Sorry, Electo.
Where's the
Okay.
hole?
So I think he's gone.
Ooh. Hey!
Haru?